Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad. Here's your update on a major winter storm developing across the center of the country. This is for Wednesday. The center of the storm itself is in the tri-state area of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. A nice rain shield working its way into Missouri, even a few embedded thunderstorms also in western Kentucky and Tennessee. You see this tail stretching back into Texas? That's the cold front, and I believe this is the area that I'm going to have to keep an eye on, and you should too if you're down into Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, because I believe this area is going to intensify. You might be looking at some pockets of some severe weather. Looks like Wednesday night and on into Thursday morning. Now this system will race towards the north, and look what happens here projected for Thursday morning. If you remember correctly, Sunday night, this model had the system in northern Indiana. Now it's pushed it a little bit further west in northern Illinois. See a lot of dark blue and even some purple up there. And with the dark lines very compact, those are very strong winds, we could be looking at blizzard-like conditions for some of you in the state of Iowa, as well as Wisconsin and portions of northern Michigan as well as this thing continues to move up. Notice this, the cold front will pass through central Indiana, Cincinnati, central Kentucky, Tennessee, and stretching down towards the Gulf Coast of Mexico, swinging in some pretty cold air behind it. Now, this storm is not done yet because it will get up into the New England states. You see some red up there. That's ice. We could be looking at snow and a major ice system up into possibly Vermont and New Hampshire, and this is going to be Thursday night and on into Friday morning. It will continue to push off. I think by the weekend we should be okay for you up there, but we need to keep an eye on that. This rain you see down here in the southeast will work its way into the state of Florida, most likely on Friday. And here comes another system slamming itself into the Pacific Northwest, bringing some more heavy rain, some heavy snow in the higher elevations. And I think it's also going to push this precipitation down into the state of California. I'll be back on Thursday with another update. I'm George, the Weather Dad.